guys, this is the Etheos Ultimate. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another thing by Science. You don't necessarily need the materials though. So you're going to need a spray bottle, glass, relatively big. Not massive, but you would like it to be a normal size. Something not super heavy to weigh it down, like some fruits would be good. And you will need a match, so you might want a parent. And you'll need a candle, a little tray, and a napkin. So we're gonna start by spraying the napkin. And we're not gonna want it soaking wet. We want it like moist. All right, and then we put the candle on and we're gonna light it. All right, so you want it to get an okay flame. All right, that's pretty good. Make sure you have a relatively large cup and you're gonna hold it down. And it's gonna run out of and the fire is gonna run out of oxygen to eat. And then after a little while, it's gonna stop burning. And once it's done burning, it will have a lot of smoke. And you want this smoke to start coming out. All right, so it should be good. Okay, so 2 fruits works. 4 fruits works. And we're just gonna take it off and for a little test. All right, so the smoke stopped coming out, so it's probably gonna start to get a little less powerful, but it should still have some force in it. It's just not going to be getting any stronger. See? So once it stops smoking, you should stop making it do super heavy lifting. That's it for the video. If you all want to try this at home, feel free, as long as you're getting your parent. And I'll see you guys in the next video.